Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Rachel Zoe Box of Style. Oh my gosh, I love this box so much. I love Rachel Zoe so much. But before I do, I want to tell you on my eyes today, I have the Too Faced Natural Eyes. My daughter gave this to me as a gift. Look how gorgeous these colors are. And by the way, they smell like cinnamon and chocolate. Like, it's amazing. So, Too Faced Natural Eyes. But let's get started. Oh, and I want to tell you about an app. Focus on the Family. I listened to it the other day. They had a program about mothers and things that are triggers for you. I'm going to link it below. You have to listen to it. It's a 2-part program. It's amazing. I love it so much. So, and get the app. So first of all, you open it up. Hello, gorgeous. How amazing is that? And there she is, Rachel Zoe. Gotta love her. Look at her with her like leopard print dress. Okay, I have to have that right away. Anyways, you open up and it tells you all about the products inside. And she says, a note from Rachel. She says, for me, fall means warm colors, lots of layers, and getting back to business. Yeah, and getting the kids back in school. Yes, please. No, I'm not. I had a great summer. Love you kids, but I'm glad you're back in school. In this edition of Box of Style, I'm providing you with the rich pieces that are versatile enough to carry you from late summer to the first days of winter and beyond. I hope you love them as much as I do. Rachel Zoe. Okay, so let's get started. So this is a subscription box, quarterly subscription box, and even if you don't buy the box, which you should, or it makes a great gift, just buy one of these items, or it turns you on to so many cool, like, brands. Anyways, so the first thing is, okay, yes please, this camel little pouch, and it looks like it might be a crossbody. Oh my gosh, this color, it's like a caramel camel with gold accents on it, and it is, okay, it's adjustable and it would make a great crossbody. Love this. This is by the brand JJ Winters. Okay, yes, please. I'll be wearing that. Absolutely. This would be great for like a concert. And I love that color. Oh, and a camel coat. If you did not see my fall last year, my fall show, I'll link that below too. Oh, a camel coat. You have to have a camel coat. Okay, moving right along. The next thing is from Dannijo. Comes this cute little pouch. And oh my gosh, it's jewelry. I can tell. Gorgeous. She usually puts like one piece of jewelry, one maybe a handbag or accessory, maybe sometimes a hat, and usually a makeup item. So, okay, how gorgeous is this necklace? Yes, please. This is so amazing. I'm gonna put this on right this minute. Oh, and it's adjustable, so you can wear it short or long. Okay, I'm gonna put this on right now, even though I have this little pearl necklace. Statement piece, yes please, love it, Dannijo. Okay, and again, look up these brands, because maybe you don't get the whole box, but you get something from these brands. So, okay, moving on. The next thing is, again, in a black little pouch. Okay, it is okay, it looks like a little card holder. Yes, okay, genuine leather. It's a little card holder. Okay, actually, I love these so much. I have one. Actually, I don't know if it's Tory Burch or whatever. What you do is buy these little things. Now, I will say, I've seen these at Nordstrom Rack or whatever. Okay, this is from Miriam. What I do is when you go out and you have a small handbag like this one, and you're going out on date night or something, you just put your license in here or your credit card or whatever. You don't want to take your whole big bag, your big tote that you have all the time. So love that. Good one. And I love this burgundy color. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a little embossed croc. Yes, please. Love it. Good job. Okay, moving right along. Then the next thing is, okay, this is from Shani Darden. Texture Reform. Let's see. It is, okay. I haven't opened these yet, so I'm just as surprised as you are. I didn't pre-open anything. I'm just doing this right here. Texture Reform. Okay, is this for, it says, let's see. Okay, we're gonna have to read what this is. Texture Reform, something or other. So inside here, like I said, it talks about, here's the purse, here's the necklace. This is, okay, it's a skin saver. Even sensitive skin types can use this gentle retinol serum. Okay, yes, please. It's a retinol serum. That's exciting because retinol, it says smooth 1 to 2 pumps into clean skin at night. Retinol is for night, okay? It's like anti-aging. It rejuvenates your skin. A lot of times it'll make it flake off and you'll have fresh new skin in the morning, and love this. And it says follow with your usual moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Yes, please. And new night cream, love it so much. And then finally we have from Marc Jacobs. Okay, tell me this is makeup. Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer. Okay, so it's lip gloss. Let's check it out. I love Marc Jacobs. Okay, I don't always get it because it is expensive, but they have it at Ulta. Okay, this is actually, okay, I have the sugar. It's the same thing. I love this packaging so much. Okay, so twist off and look at how gorgeous that is for fall. Okay, I'm gonna swatch some right there on my hand because that color is so gorgeous. It's like almost like a mauve. Okay, and by the way, the flavor of this, it's like minty. It's kind of menthol minty, which I love. Okay, I love this so much. Okay, Rachel Zoe, love your box for fall. I'm loving it so much, and I love Rachel Zoe. Rachel Zoe, please have a new show out. I loved her show so much, and I miss her and love her so much. So anyways, so don't forget, Focus on the Family app, Natural Eyes, and everything Rachel Zoe. And how about this necklace? I can't get over how gorgeous that is. All right, so happy fall, and don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. All right, love you.